Hello people, follow me, let's do this watermelon popsicle. So here's my watermelon. I'll cut it and separate that one from the other side. I will use this side that you are seeing, so I will cut it into smaller sizes. So guys, everywhere is hot and my children want some tissue, so I decide to just make this popsicle. So I'll just add all this watermelon inside my crusher. All my returnees, thank you for always returning. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always coming to like, share, comment on my videos. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I'll cover and I'm going to crush it, guys. So as you can see, I did a little mix. But that notwithstanding, guys, blended, I will save. Check out my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful, health videos, cooking recipes, family lifestyles. Follow me on all social media network, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, the same name, Lady B Variety. So guys, I am done saving, so I will be adding it to these popsicle bags that I bought from Temu. I'm not promoting it, guys, but I bought it from Temu and it is 100 pieces inside. So as you can see, I'm using my funnel to just put it inside so that it will be easy. So I'll continue this process until I am done with this process. So guys, you can see I didn't add sugar, I didn't add water, I didn't add anything. It is just pure and natural. And guys, it came out so nice. The watermelon was sweet. You know, when you have a good watermelon, anything you use it for, that juice, smoothie, it will make sense. So this popsicle make sense. So I'll just continue to tie and wrap and do it until I am done with all the popsicle bags that I need. So guys, that is it, guys. I hope you try this recipe out. It is good for this weather because we are having up to 35, 37 degrees and it's very hot. So this is exactly what we need this time. And check my videos. I have some ice creams recipes. I have other good healthy and health recipes that you can find anywhere in my channel. Thank you all. I really appreciate your love and support. So that is the last popsicle that I am doing. So I'll just tie and take it to the freezer. I allowed it to stay for the whole day to the next day. So here is it, ready. Enjoy. Bye.